Hey guys, Monkey Man 850 here. Alright, so the whole sneezing thing, I know that's a thing. I'm gonna do another thing. I'm gonna burp. So I could do that. Like, that's something that won't go away, making myself burp. Sneezing. Yeah, I don't know what happened with the sneezing thing, but I could definitely burp. Let's try to say my name first, Let's try to say Mikey, alright? Just had to get that out there, That was a little one. Did that on purpose. Alright, hold up. Mikey. See, from here, I think that sounded pretty good. I don't know what that smell is. Doesn't smell like anything I ate. I don't know. I ate all kinds of things. I don't know half the time what I'm gonna burp up. You guys wanna do like I'm gonna push out a burp. All right. Oh my gosh. That was like Godzilla or something, It's like, oh, this. I'm talented like that. That's all right. I'm just showing you my burping talent. I don't even have specific things to do. Yeah, I keep shaking my phone. I'm using my phone. Sometimes the burps come out natural, but they're not nearly as powerful. Oh gosh, I can't do that too much. I could burp all I want. Like, what am I talking about? Alright, so this has been my burps. Okay? Move over sneezing. Burping is on its way. So I'm not done with sneezing videos, I'm gonna try my hardest for you guys to sneeze. But in the meantime, enjoy this burping video. Didn't work. And all of you who watch this and aren't subscribed, please subscribe, share the video and my channel with your peeps, with your friends, with your, I don't know. I don't care who you date. Do it with them, share it with them. I share, not, All right, anyway. Just subscribe and like my videos, please. Monkey Man 850. You're on. Alright, well. I don't know. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. You guys enjoy your lives. And I look forward for you to watch me again. My next video. And all the other ones. Watch those too. Alright. I'm out.